You're lying in bed, Sunday night, and suddenly that feeling hits. Not stress, not fear, but something heavier. That quiet question in your mind. Is this really my life now? Alarm in the morning, rush to get ready, same road, same traffic, same faces. You sit in your chair, open your laptop, and do it all over again. Day after day, week after week, year after year. And the weird part, you're working, you're earning, but somehow it still doesn't feel like enough. Because deep down, you already know something is off. You're trading your time for money. And no matter how hard you work, there's always a limit. You can't work 2x hours forever. You can't double your life. And that's when you hear this word, passive income. Make money while you sleep. Escape the rat race. Financial freedom. Sounds perfect. Almost too perfect. So your brain does what it always does. It rejects it. Scam hoga. Only rich people do this. Not possible for me. And slowly, you go back to your routine. But here's a truth nobody explains properly. Passive income is not magic. It's not luck. And it's definitely not reserved for rich people. It's a system. And more importantly, it works in levels, specific levels, where your life doesn't just improve, it changes. And once you understand these levels, you stop feeling stuck. Because now you have a roadmap. Let's start with the first one, because this is where everything begins. Imagine this. You wake up one day, check your phone, and see money credited. Not salary, not payment for work, just money. Around $500 per month. Now, logically, you might think $500 se kya hoga? But psychologically, this is powerful. Because for the first time in your life, you earn without working. You're not sitting in an office. You're not doing anything. And still, money is coming in. And let me tell you something most people ignore. Passive income is not just about money. It's about control. Right now, your time is controlled by someone else. Your schedule, your holidays, your income, everything depends on external decisions. But the moment you start building even a small passive income stream, that control slowly starts shifting. You stop asking for permission. You stop waiting for weekends. You stop living for someday. Because now, you're building something that works for you. And yes, in the beginning, it's slow. Very slow. You might work for months and see almost nothing. No big results, no big money. And that's exactly where most people quit. But what they don't understand is this. You're not building income in the beginning. You're building the system. And once the system works, income follows automatically. Think about it like this. A normal job pays you for effort, but passive income pays you for systems. And systems take time, but once they're built, they don't stop. This is why consistency matters more than motivation. Because motivation comes and goes, but systems stay. Even if you feel lazy, even if you feel confused, even if you feel like nothing is working, keep going. Because one day, that first small result will show up, and that moment will change everything. You'll realize you're not stuck anymore. You're just early. And once that mindset shifts, you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a builder. And builders always win in the long run. That old belief, I only earn when I work, it starts breaking. And once that belief breaks, everything changes. Because now you know this is real. And if $500 is possible, then more is possible. And suddenly you feel lighter. Because even if something goes wrong, you're not at zero. Now let's go a step ahead. Imagine that number becomes $2,000 per month. Now we're not talking about small money. This is your basics covered. Rent, food, bills. And now something crazy happens. You stop feeling trapped. That job you hate, you don't need to tolerate it anymore. That boss you're scared of, you don't depend on him anymore. For the first time, you have a choice. You can try something new. You can take a break. You can start something risky because your life won't collapse. This is where most people realize freedom is not a dream. It's a number. But here's something even more important. Most people think passive income is only for people with money, but that's not true. There are two types of people building passive income. One uses money, the other uses time and skills. If you don't have money, you use your time. You build something once, and it keeps paying you again. A YouTube channel, a digital product, an ebook, a course, a simple system that solves a problem. At the start, it feels like a lot of work. You spend hours creating, learning, trying, failing, and it feels like nothing is happening. But what you don't see is you're building an asset. A job pays you once. An asset pays you again and again. That one video you upload today can bring money for years. That one product you create can sell hundreds of times. That one system you build can run without you. And this is where people get it wrong. They expect instant results. But passive income is delayed. You work now, you get paid later, sometimes much later. And that delay breaks most people because we're used to instant rewards. But once it starts working, everything changes. Imagine two people. One works a job, earns every month. The other builds something, earns nothing at first, but slowly that second person starts earning more without working more. That's the difference. Now imagine this grows to $5,000 per month. At this point, you can live a comfortable life without needing a job. Not luxury, but peace. You pay your bills, travel sometimes, live without stress. And now comes the real question. If you don't need a job, would you still go? Now let's go further. $10,000 per month. Now you're thriving. Good house, travel freedom, no financial panic. Money stops being a problem. And finally, $20,000 per month. Now it's not just income, it's freedom. Time freedom, location freedom, life freedom. You build impact, you build legacy. But here's the mistake most people make. They see these numbers and feel overwhelmed, so they quit. But the truth is simple. You don't chase $20,000. You chase your first $500. Because once you start, momentum builds, confidence builds, and what felt impossible becomes normal. So start simple, stay consistent, reinvest, and keep going. Because at the end of the day, you're going to grow older anyway. The only question is, will you still be stuck, or will your money finally start working for you? Start today.